Hey there, fellow drivers. Your trusted mechanic here. Picture this. You're already running late, jump in your car, and nothing. Your car won't budge despite being in drive. That sinking feeling? Yeah, I've seen it hundreds of times. You've got a stuck parking brake. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about dealing with a stuck parking brake, from quick DIY fixes to understanding when it's time to call the pros. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do if this happens to you. Understanding your parking brake. Let's start with the basics. And trust me, this matters. Unlike your regular brakes that use hydraulic pressure, your parking brake is actually pretty simple. It uses cables, kind of like your bike brakes, to mechanically hold your car in place. When you pull that lever or push that pedal, these cables tighten up, grabbing either your rear drum brakes or special calipers if you've got disc brakes all around. Why brakes get stuck? In my 15 years as a mechanic, I've seen three main culprits. One, the winter freeze. If you're in a cold climate, moisture can literally freeze your brake components solid. I see this all the time after people wash their cars in freezing weather. Two, cable problems. This is the big one, folks. About 60% of all parking brake failures come down to cable issues. We're talking rust, corrosion, or cables that are just plain worn out. Three, mechanical issues. Sometimes it's the brake shoes, rotors, or return springs that give up the ghost. Quick fixes you can try now. Before you call that tow truck, let's try some proven solutions. Start your engine and gently rock between drive and reverse. Pull the lever up slightly before hitting the release button. Try multiple engage release cycles. Pro tip, keep a quality brake cable lubricant in your garage. Trust me, it's cheaper than a tow truck. When to call the pros. Listen up, this is important. If you hear grinding sounds or see any of these warning signs, stop what you're doing and call a professional. Grinding noises, visible cable damage, brake warning lights, burning smells, prevention is key. Here's something most people don't know. Using your parking brake regularly actually prevents problems. I always tell my customers, use it or lose it. Quick prevention tips. Engage it at least weekly. Always set it with your foot on the brake pedal. Apply brake cable lubricant before winter. Keep components clean and dry. Cost breakdown, let's talk money. A typical repair runs between $200 to $500, depending on what's wrong. Here's the breakdown. Cable replacement, $150 to $300. Brake shoe adjustment, $80 to $120. Complete system overhaul, $400 to $600. Remember, folks, your parking brake isn't just a convenience. It's a critical safety feature. Take care of it, and it'll take care of you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more car care tips. For more detailed guides, check out yourmotorcare.com and don't miss our video on brake failure warnings. I'll link it in the description below.